Hi, teacher. This is a conversation about um, a famous person we know, and this will begin.
What's her name?
Her name is Selena Gomez.
How old is she?
She is 29 years old.
What or who is she?
She is an American singer, songwriter, actress, television producer, philanthropist, and fashion designer.
How is she?
She is an unpredictable girl.
Where is she from?
She is from Texas.
What is her nationality?
She is American. So, see you, teacher, and bye bye, Daniela. Thank you.
Goodbye, Anna.